going to start using mobile phone as a webcam with a USB connection. So let's get started.
Do you like this video? Press a like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
We are going to download first a Webcam. So you can search in Google. So you can find a client here, Windows client, Linux client. So we are focusing on Windows. So we're going to download a Windows client. So here two variants are available with Android support and with Android and iOS support. So the file has been downloaded. So starting the setup. Simple step to install. And now you can start the application. You can check my previous video. Today we are going to connect over USB. So now we are going to see how to do the steps in our mobile phone. First, going to Play Store and searching for Webcam. Going to install it. So the software has been installed. I'm going to open it. So camera application is asking for permission, so we're going to allow it. To follow the further step, go to your settings in a mobile phone. Go to systems. So here we are not able to find a developer option. Currently there is no developer option available. So go to the about phone. So at first you can find at the end of the screen you can find the build number. So pressing 7 times it will enable a developer option. So going back, now you can see a developer option is enabled now. So go to developer option, and here you are able to find USB debugging on. So just allow USB debugging. So okay. Now we are going to connect our USB cable to computer. So we have a USB cable here. We are going to connect the USB cable and going to a mobile phone. So you can see my mobile is connected. So now we are going to start our application on desktop. On mobile phone, it will ask for allow USB debugging. Just make sure to press OK. If not, it will be not able to connect. On laptop, you will see the name is available. Okay. Now the name SS00TD is available. So you can check your mobile name is same. We're going to start our application on Android. So Webcam. So already we started. We can shift the camera back up. So I'm taking currently up front. And now we are going to start our client there. Starting a client on computer. Start. So you can see. So actually it's coming somehow dark because I'm shooting it at a night. So still the clarity is very good. So you can check it on your mobile phone at how it works. And let me know if it works or not in a comment. Thank you.